Model 2018 Citroën Relay 35 L3 Diesel 2.0 BlueHDi H2 van 130 PS Enterprise Body, black, panel van mileage 131817 MOT. The 21st of March 2024 engine 1997 CCDW10 FUDA transmission, 6-speed manual, front-wheel drive. Mechanical summary: starts perfect. Runs perfect. Gearbox is stuck in third gear. Gearbox will need repairing or replacing. We've run this up to temperature and the engine is 100% perfect. There are no head gasket, coolant issues whatsoever. Condition summary: bodywork is very clean. Interior is extremely clean and tidy. Rear load area is extremely clean and tidy. Very well looked after van. First to see will definitely buy. Features: 0 former keepers, air con, electric windows, cruise control, parking sensors, EU status, Euro 6 HPI, clear. Click the link in the description for pictures.